Home coffee makers are great for making coffee at home, but there are also many other benefits to using a home coffee maker. It's the most environmentally friendly way to brew your own coffee, it keeps your coffee fresh for longer, and it's the easiest way to make delicious lattes. So if you're looking for the best home coffee maker, we've got you covered. We've researched and compiled a list of the top 4 best home coffee makers so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Let's get started. First, we'll start off with the Cuisinart DCC-3400P1 12-cup programmable coffee maker. If you want a coffee maker that is powerful, but also has a lot of features, then this is the one for you. It's incredibly versatile, since it's programmable, and it brews a wide variety of beverages. The auto-off functionality is great since it allows you to wake up to a fresh brew of your favorite beverage. The water window is easy to read and understand. It allows you to know exactly how much water you need to fill up the carafe. The glass handle is sturdy, and it feels like it won't break off. The carafe holds enough for 12 cups, and the lid seals tight so you don't have to worry about spills. There are 12 cup settings available, and you can also set up 4 different time periods, 1 to 4 hours, for brewing. The coffee maker is made of strong, sturdy materials, so it can withstand the rigors of everyday use. It's also durable enough to withstand the elements for years. The carafe is removable and dishwasher safe. It's also made from BPA-free plastic. It's a great coffee maker that can fit into any kitchen decor. Overall, the Cuisinart DCC-3400P1 12-cup programmable coffee maker is a great pick for anyone looking for a versatile, reliable, and affordable coffee maker. Next on our list is the Krups KM205D50 Simply Brew Digital Drip 10 Cups Coffee Maker. The Krups KM205D50 is one of the best budget options out there. The coffee it produces is very similar to what you'd get from a much more expensive machine. If you're looking for a way to cut down on your household spending, the Krups coffee maker is the perfect solution for you. It's compact and simple, so it's very easy to operate. It has a 10-cup capacity and it brews perfectly, with no burnt-tasting coffee at all. If you're not very familiar with espresso machines, the manual operation will be easy enough for you to figure out. The coffee maker has an automatic shut-off feature that turns off the machine after 2 hours, which is very convenient for those who don't drink coffee regularly. It comes with a reusable coffee filter and a coffee spoon to help measure the perfect amount of coffee. While the coffee maker doesn't come with any special features, it's fairly robust, and it's made of dishwasher-safe materials so you won't have to worry about any cleaning. All in all, the Krups KM205D50 Simply Brew Digital Drip 10 Cups Coffee Maker is a good option for the budget-conscious coffee lover. Next on our list is the Keurig 500-0365-485K Cafe Smart Single Serve Coffee Maker. This is a great way to make single-serve coffee, especially if you like to travel and don't want to take your big-ass coffee maker with you. The Keurig 5500 is a good option for people who want to buy a coffee machine that has Wi-Fi capabilities. You can use the Keurig app to select the right K-cup for your favorite coffee, and you can also get recipes or just see what other people are brewing. You can also control temperature and pressure for every cup of coffee. The device is pretty quiet, and you can adjust the volume to whatever level you prefer. But the best part is that you can customize the strength of your coffee by choosing from one of 5 different strengths, and you can adjust the temperature and time of your coffee from one of 6 settings. It comes with a milk frother, which is great because sometimes it can be hard to find a milk frother in stores, but this is one that's pretty compact and easy to use. The coffee maker also has a built-in grinder, allowing you to grind your own beans. It also features a hot water dispenser, letting you brew your coffee at the right temperature, and a milk frother. It also has an auto shut-off feature, which shuts off the machine if you forget to remove the lid. Finally, if you're looking for a simple, reliable, and high-quality coffee machine, then the Keurig K-Cafe coffee maker should be on your list. Last but not least, we've the Calphalon 2120896 programmable 14 cups coffee maker. Calphalon is a well-known name in the kitchenware industry. We've seen a lot of great products from them over the years. So it was no surprise when we spotted their programmable 14 cups coffee maker on our list of best picks. This is one of the best programmable coffee makers available right now. It has 14 cups, which is perfect for large families and groups who need lots of coffee throughout the day. It also has a built-in auto-pause feature, which lets you enjoy a cup of coffee in the middle of the cycle. It has an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes it super easy to adjust the settings. And for the coffee lovers, there are 4 different settings for strength, including strong brew for coffee that suits your tastes. There are 2 features that we absolutely love. First, the auto-pause function is really convenient for those of us who are busy or not around to make the coffee. Second, the warming plate is designed to maintain the optimum temperature throughout the brewing process. The heating element of this coffee maker is also quite powerful. It can deliver up to 14 cups per hour, which is much higher than what the competitors can offer. Overall, this is one of the best programmable coffee makers we've reviewed. It's easy to use, comes with plenty of features, and is fairly affordable. If you're new to making coffee at home, you've probably made a ton of mistakes along the way. And if you're not sure where to begin, we've got you covered. From which machine to buy to the best ways to prepare your coffee, we've got you covered. First things first, how much money do you want to spend on a coffee maker? There's no denying that it's one of the most important appliances you'll own. So it's important that you're prepared to spend a little extra for a machine that's going to last you. However, keep in mind that the price of a good quality machine will vary greatly depending on what model you buy. Most high-end machines will run you upwards of $300, but cheaper models start around $100. And if you're going for something in between, you can expect to spend anywhere from $150 to $200. Keep in mind that the higher the price tag, the better the machine. Quality. It's one of the most important considerations when it comes to buying a coffee maker. The quality of the machine is critical to the overall quality of the coffee you produce. You'll want to choose a machine that offers a consistent brew time, a wide variety of temperature settings, a sturdy construction, and the ability to accommodate different sizes of coffee grounds. Features. When it comes to features, you want a machine that does more than just make coffee. Make sure to consider what's included in the package. For example, some of the top-rated coffee makers come with a timer, a milk frother, an integrated grinder, and even an espresso machine. That's a lot of cool stuff, and it'll make your coffee-making experience much better. Finally, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Check the latest price or any update from the links given in the video description below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends and acquaintances as well. Please subscribe to our channel, so that you never miss a new video from us again. If you have any further questions regarding this video or want to share your own feedback and tips for other viewers, then please do not hesitate to leave us a message in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching.